Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use your phone as a webcam in OBS. Why spend money on a webcam when there's a good chance that your camera in your pocket is already better? If you want to use your phone as a webcam in OBS, one of the easiest methods is through an app called Iron. Start by downloading the Iron app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Then on your computer, visit the Iron website and download the desktop version that matches your operating system. Once both applications are installed, open them in your phone and computer while connected to the same network. In most cases, the desktop app will automatically detect your device and display the camera feed. You can usually switch between the front and rear cameras directly from the mobile app. After confirming that the video feed is working, open OBS and click the plus icon in the Sources panel. Select Video Capture Device, create a new source if needed, and choose Iron Webcam from the device list. Your phone's camera should immediately appear inside OBS. From there, you can resize, crop, and position the camera feed anywhere on your screen. I've used this setup myself when a dedicated webcam wasn't available, and the video quality is often surprisingly good compared to many entry-level webcams. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.